Hello guys, today we'll discuss if and condition formula in Google Sheet. Same raw data, country, item category, sales, same data is there. Logical statement, true means true, false means false, false true means false, false true false, and false false. Two, here is two condition, baby food online and online, baby food and online, then priority 1 P1, otherwise else means like P2. We can write the formula if bracket start and again bracket start, C2 means column C item category, C2 will baby food, comma D2 means sales column online, both if baby food and online, then it's priority P1, or else means like P2. If condition satisfy, then true means baby food and online both of true, both condition is true, that's a true. Second, online true, so true means true, then priority 1. If baby food and the D2 is offline, then that is getting false and that is coming under P2. We can drag the formula, column E, order priority. Thank you guys.
Please like my video and share it. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.